wall end capping channel strips are designed to cover up the ends of the wall planks. Offer one up to a wall section and mark the finished height. You can also mark up a section for the small top extended rail, cut them to size and nail them into place using a nail into each plank. The top rail on the standard pools consist of two sections all round, an inner and outer plank. Set all the inner planks in place just overlapping the liner lock into the pool by about 10mm, leaving a small 2 to 3mm gap, then set the outer planks in place. Make sure the top rails are all straight prior to marking the positions in pencil on the top rails of the supporting extended planks below. Drill, countersink and then fix them into place with the stainless steel screws provided. If using the hidden fixings kit, then mark the positions of the holes in the brackets on the bottom surface of the top rail and drill pilot holes about 15mm deep. Fix the rails in place by driving the fixings in from underneath the metal brackets. If fitting the relaxed one-piece top, set the top rails in place and fix them from underneath as previously described. At each corner of the pool, fix a metal corner shelf bracket in place underneath the top rail. Set one in position, mark the bolt positions and drill right through the top rail. Countersink the top surface, fix the plates in place with the bolts and nuts provided. The final touch is to fix the plastic corner plates in place to cover any gaps between the top rails at the corner joints. Lay them in place, mark the holes, drill pilot holes and screw in place.